जल्दी से चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और पास में लगी घंटी को दबाकर ऑल पर क्लिक करें।
Hello guys, how are you? I hope you all are well. As you know that my name is Yashar and you are watching my YouTube channel YesTech Stars. In this video we are going to discuss about the latest smartphone Redmi 9 that Xiaomi has recently launched. So don't waste time and let's begin the video. If we talk about the price of this smartphone, then the base variant of this smartphone comes with 8,999 rupees with a 4GB RAM and 64GB storage. You can get another variant of this smartphone 4GB RAM and 128GB storage at a price segment of 9,999. If your budget is under 10,000, then you can get this smartphone at 9,000 and 10,000 rupees. If we talk about the colors of this smartphone, then this smartphone comes in 3 color variant. The first one is carbon black, the second one is sky blue and the third one is spotty orange. All the 3 colors are very premium and attractive. You can pick any color that you want. This smartphone weight is 196 gram and comes with a 9 mm thickness. If we talk about the back panel of this smartphone, then the back panel of this smartphone is polycarbonate back. At the back side, you get fingerprint sensor and dual camera setup. LED flashlight is also provided at the back side. At the lower back, you get Redmi branding. Now let's talk about the physical overview of this smartphone. At the upper side, you get the 3.5 mm headphone jack and mic hole. At the left side, you get SIM tray. And you can use 2 SIM and micro SD card at the same time because triple slot is provided in this smartphone. By using micro SD card, you can increase the capacity of your smartphone. At the right side, you get the power lock unlock button and volume up and down key. At the lower side, you get the speakers and micro USB port for charging, and mic hole is provided at the lower end. Now let's come to the front of this smartphone. At the front, you get a 6.53 inches HD Plus display. Xiaomi called this dot drop display. This smartphone comes with 20:9 aspect ratio display and 400 nits brightness is provided in the display, so you can use the smartphone in outdoor conditions without any difficulty. And for increasing the durability of this smartphone, Gorilla Glass protection is provided in this smartphone, which increase the durability of your smartphone. If we talk about the security of this smartphone, then fingerprint sensor is provided at the back side and face unlock feature is also provided in this smartphone. So you can use fingerprint sensor and face unlock feature for your security. Now comes to the camera set of this smartphone. At the back side, you can get 13 megapixel dual camera setup. The primary lens is 13 megapixel which comes with a f2.2 aperture, and a 2 megapixel depth sensor is also provided in this smartphone back camera, which increase the depth sensing of your camera. And many features like AI beauty, face detection and HDR mode are also provided in the camera. So by these features, you can increase the camera quality and picture quality of your smartphone, and you can get a very good quality pictures in this smartphone. Now let's come to the selfie department. In this smartphone, at the front side, a 5 megapixel camera is provided for the selfie, which comes with f2.2 aperture, and many features like HDR mode, AI face detection is provided at the selfie, which increase the selfie quality of your smartphone. Now let's talk about the very important department of this smartphone, which is performance. This smartphone comes with a MediaTek Helio G35 processor. This is an octa-core processor which based on 12 nanometer technology. In this smartphone with this processor, you can play heavy gaming like Free Fire, Call of Duty and many more. So this is the smartphone which provide you a very good gaming. This smartphone comes with the LPDDR4X RAM support. Now let's talk about the operating system. This smartphone comes with MIUI 12 and Android version 10 based. Now let's talk about the last department of this smartphone. Last but not least, the department is battery and charging technology. This smartphone comes with a 5000 mAh huge battery and a 10 watt charger is provided in the box. A 5000 mAh battery provides you a battery backup of 1.5 day to 2 day. This depends on your uses. If you use daily uses and don't play game, then you can use battery backup of 2 day. And if you stream video and play games, then you can definitely get a battery backup of 1.5 day. In the end, if we talk about the conclusion, then this is not a smartphone which comes under 10,000 rupees with very good features. The Helio G35 processor is very good, and I think this is the first smartphone which comes with Helio G35 processor. If you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and please like and share this video. So keep watching Yes Tech Stars and get touch with the latest technology. Thanks for watching.